Are you tired of dealing with slow hair growth or struggling to maintain healthy locks? What if I told you there's a natural solution that can help you achieve super fast hair growth without breaking the bank? Stick around as we delve into the incredible world of chia seeds and how they can work wonders for your hair. So what makes these tiny seeds such hair growth superstars? Let's break down the science. 1. Nutrient powerhouse. Chia seeds are brimming with nutrients that are essential for healthy hair growth. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help nourish your scalp and promote hair follicle health. Think of them as tiny builders providing the foundation for strong hair growth. 2. Protein power. Hair is primarily made of protein, and chia seeds are a fantastic plant-based source of protein. This protein helps strengthen hair strands, preventing breakage and promoting overall hair health. Stronger hair means less split ends and more growth. 3. Antioxidant army. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, which fight free radicals that can damage your hair and scalp. These antioxidants act like tiny shields, protecting your hair and promoting a healthy environment for growth. 4. Hydration hero. Dry, brittle hair won't grow fast. Chia seeds have incredible hydrating properties. When used topically, they can help retain moisture in your hair, keeping it soft, supple, and primed for growth. Here are 2 exciting ways to incorporate chia seeds into your hair care routine for potentially super fast hair growth. Recipe 1. The Nourishing Chia Seed Hair Mask. This recipe is a powerful hair mask packed with nutrients to promote growth and shine. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon honey, optional for added moisture, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, optional for added hydration. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, combine the chia seeds and warm water. Let the mixture sit for 15-20 minutes, allowing the chia seeds to absorb the water and form a gel-like consistency. 2. If desired, add the honey and aloe vera gel for extra moisture and shine. Mix well to create a smooth paste. 3. Apply the mask to your clean, damp hair, focusing on your scalp and hair strands. Gently massage the scalp to stimulate blood flow and promote hair growth. 4. Leave the mask on for 30-45 minutes. You can cover your hair with a shower cap for deeper penetration. 5. Rinse the mask thoroughly with warm water and follow with your regular shampoo and conditioner. Recipe 2. The Strengthening Chia Seed Hair Rinse. This recipe is a simple hair rinse that adds a boost of protein and nutrients to strengthen your hair and promote growth. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 2 cups boiling water. Instructions: 1. In a small pot, combine the chia seeds and boiling water. Let the mixture steep for 20-30 minutes. 2. Strain the mixture using a cheesecloth to remove the chia seeds. You'll be left with a nutrient-rich chia seed water. 3. After shampooing and conditioning your hair, use a cup of cooled chia seed water as a final rinse. 4. Leave the rinse in your hair for a few minutes, allowing the nutrients to absorb, then rinse again with cool water. Tips: you can use these chia seed recipes 1-2 times a week for optimal results. Be consistent. Regular use of chia seeds is key to seeing hair growth benefits. Remember, a healthy diet rich in essential nutrients is also crucial for healthy hair growth. Consult a doctor if you have any scalp conditions or allergies before using these recipes. Enjoy the journey towards healthier, faster-growing hair with the power of chia seeds. So chia seeds are a simple, natural, and affordable way to promote faster, healthier hair growth. They're packed with nutrients that nourish your scalp and hair, promoting a healthy environment for growth. Why not give chia seeds a try? What have you got to lose? Let us know your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty hacks, and let's unlock the secrets to healthy, beautiful hair together.